When it comes to creating unique Halloween masks, attention to detail is what truly brings your character to life. Whether you're working with plastic, wood, or other sculpting materials, the right tool makes all the difference. That's where our USA-made Carbide burr die grinder tool bits come in, precision-engineered for artists, crafters, and professionals who demand both quality and versatility.
Carbide burrs are renowned for their exceptional hardness and durability. They maintain their sharpness far longer than standard steel bits, allowing you to carve, engrave, and shape with unmatched accuracy. Using a fine carbide burr attached to your die grinder, you can transform a plain mask into a true work of art, adding intricate textures, lifelike features, and custom designs that standard tools simply can't achieve.
The process begins with selecting the proper carbide burr shape for your project. For delicate line work, choose a pointed or flame-shaped burr. These are ideal for engraving fine details like wrinkles, veins, or decorative patterns. If you want to create deeper grooves or hollow out larger areas, a ball or cylindrical burr offers the right balance of control and material removal. The sharp, precision-ground flutes on our USA-made burrs cut cleanly through both plastic and wood, giving you crisp edges and smooth surfaces with minimal effort. Start by securing your mask material on a stable surface. Safety is key. Always wear protective eyewear and a dust mask, especially when working with plastics or woods that produce fine particulates. Once your workspace is set, attach your chosen carbide burr to the die grinder and set it to a moderate speed. With a firm, controlled grip, begin tracing your design onto the mask. Light passes work best at first. Let the sharpness of the carbide do the work, avoiding excessive force that could damage the material. For plastic masks, carbide burrs excel at creating realistic facial features. You can carve out deep-set eye sockets, accentuate cheekbones, or add subtle scars and skin textures. The fine tip allows you to gently etch lines for wrinkles or stitch marks, giving your mask a truly haunting appearance. Because carbide resists gumming up with melted plastic, you'll enjoy a smoother workflow and cleaner results. Wooden masks benefit even more from the power of carbide. The hardness of these burrs allows you to cut through hardwoods and softwoods alike, shaping exaggerated noses, brows, or teeth. The precise control lets you create wood grain textures, simulate fur or scales, and add decorative patterns around the edges. With each pass, you'll notice how easily the carbide burr glides, leaving behind crisp lines and a professional quality finish. Once your carving is complete, you can switch to a finer grit burr or sanding attachment to smooth and blend your details. Carbide burrs are versatile enough to handle both roughing and finishing, so you can polish your design to perfection before moving on to painting or staining. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're crafting a classic monster, a whimsical creature, or a one-of-a-kind character, our USA-made carbide burr die grinder tool bits give you the creative freedom to bring your vision to life. Their durability means you'll be able to use them for many Halloweens to come, making them a smart investment for any maker or hobbyist. If you found these tips helpful and want to see more creative ideas and tool demonstrations, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We love hearing from our community, so leave your Halloween mask ideas and questions in the comments below. Tell us what you're making this year, and let's inspire each other to take our mask making to the next level.